The pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose to fill the pool with water. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket! Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue! It's urgent! Come on, Kiki! The fire extinguisher can put out the fire. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go! Don't be afraid, Fuzzy. The fire rescue will start immediately. For them. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Not right. Fire axe can split all blocking boxes. The trapped person is struggling to breathe and needs help.
Yeah!
Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. Emergency shovel can shovel away all obstacles. The trapped person is in danger. Help him. Thank you. There is an obstacle. Get it cleared. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly. Thank you. The trapped person is struggling to breathe and needs help.
Oh!
Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah! This is a perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors. Waiting for firefighters to rescue. Danger removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. The fire truck has returned successfully. Let's wash it. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert. What a busy day! You're the greatest firefighter! Bye! Awesome! It's a new gift!